Hello, Globetrotters and food aficionados. Welcome to another exciting episode of Travel, Tour and Dine. In our delightful journey across the globe, we've landed in the land of smiles, Thailand. We're about to embark on an epic adventure, exploring the top 5 destinations that this tropical paradise has to offer. And what's a tour without some tantalizing tastes? On this trip, we'll also be revealing the exquisite dining experiences that await you at each location. So without any delay, embark on this Thai journey with us. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the vibrant city of Pattaya. Nestled on the stunning east coast of the Gulf of Thailand, Pattaya is a treasure trove of entertainment and culture. From its bustling night markets to the serene Buddha Hill, it's a city that never fails to enthrall. And when it comes to dining, the Sky Gallery offers a mesmerizing view of the city's coastline, coupled with a tantalizing array of Thai cuisine. Now, if you thought Pattaya was captivating, wait till you discover what's next on our list. At number 4, we have the exotic island of Phuket. Imagine yourself lounging on the sun-kissed beaches, the turquoise waters lapping at your feet. Now, let's not forget the food. You simply must visit a local eatery where the aroma of authentic Thai cuisine fills the air. Imagine sinking your teeth into a flavorful pad Thai, the tangy tamarind sauce adding a delightful zing. Excited yet? We're just getting started. Our next destination is a real treat. Coming in at number 3, we have the cultural hub of Chiang Mai. This northern city is known for its beautiful temples and vibrant street markets. But what sets it apart is its culinary scene. Don't miss out on the khao soi, a local curry noodle dish that's a favorite among locals and tourists alike. You can taste this delicacy at the famous Lam Duan Phaham restaurant. Brace yourself, our top 2 destinations will leave you in awe. At number 2, we have the mesmerizing Krabi. This gem of a destination is the perfect blend of sun, sand and sea. Krabi's stunning landscapes are a sight for sore eyes, offering a perfect backdrop for your Instagram feed. And when the hunger pangs hit, head over to The Hilltop, a top-rated restaurant. Indulge in their mouth-watering Thai cuisine while you feast your eyes on the panoramic views of the Andaman Sea. Hold on to your seats as we unveil our top pick. And finally, at number 1, we have the bustling city of Bangkok. This vibrant metropolis is a feast for the senses. From towering skyscrapers to historic temples, and from bustling markets to serene parks, Bangkok has it all. But the real star here is the street food. Imagine indulging in a plate of pad Thai or a bowl of tom yum soup, prepared right in front of you on a busy sidewalk, the aroma mingling with the city air. There you have it, folks. The top 5 destinations in Thailand and their delicious cuisines. That's a wrap on our Thai adventure. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to show some love. Share your thoughts, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Make sure to tune in for our next video where we'll explore the hidden gems of Italy. Until then, keep exploring and keep dining. Goodbye.